So converting coal can actually be converted into a liquid or a gas. Why do you think they're doing this? Look at the picture and tell me what you analyze. It can get converted into natural gas, which they refer to as synthetic natural gas, or synthetic gasoline. No ideas? All right, so clean coal systems. Oh, and by the way, that's called coal gasification and coal, easy names. The disadvantages are you need more coal to get the end product. So you're using more initially. Obviously with technology, that's something they're gonna work on because this process is fairly new. So eventually that disadvantage. Another disadvantage is it increases the levels of CO2. Why? Because in order to make the alternative form of coal, you're using energy, so CO2 emissions is being is part of the production. And the net energy yield is fairly low. Advantages. There's a large supply, as I mentioned when I asked you why we're using it. It's a substitute for vehicle fuel. So there are the two answers of my original question. When you burn it, it's actually less CO2 emissions. So one disadvantage counter-affects the advantage. And that's it. Now, clean coal combustion. I'm actually going to go back to this after you guys watch this link. I'm going to post this link on Canvas, and then I'm going to come back to it tomorrow so we can discuss it. So natural gas has a lot of similarities to coal in their formation. There's really only one difference, and it's, well, two. Tiny plants and animals, whereas coal was what? Just giant plants, okay? And coal was swamps, and natural gas is ocean, okay? So those are the two main differences. The rest, over millions of years, buried under heat and pressure, the process remains the same. Complicated. So there's two types. One type is conventional natural gas, and the other one is unconventional. These words are going to come out. Conventional natural gas is the one we find near petroleum, and it's mainly composed of methane, and unfortunately, yes, you have to know that. Some other major components are butane, propane, and hydrogen sulfides. Unconventional is found near coal. Very rare. Also made up of a lot of methane. Most reserves are Russia, Iran, and Qatar. Is that how you say that? Who uses the most?
We do.
We do. And I don't think this is happening. Oh yeah. I hope that recorded. So when we mine for natural gas, propane and butane are liquefied. This is the process of production. And in turn, you make liquid petroleum gas and liquid natural gas. And then they show you their fuel or heat or energy component. It's off. So here are some facts about liquid petroleum gas. If it's needed to be transported, you actually have to convert it to liquid natural gas. And then once it reaches its destination, it's converted back to liquid petroleum gas. Does that sound at all efficient or effective?
Wait, once it reaches